Hello friends on YouTube. This is a Apple Lightning cable and my phone doesn't charge, so I decided to check on the cable connecting to the charger. On both sides I noticed that there is a crack, but on the other side connecting to the phone is good, it's okay. But on the other side connecting to the charger, on the left side, there is a crack. So I need to check what was wrong or what was going on inside. So we need to open it using a putty knife by splicing the cable carefully so that you cannot cut your fingers out. On both sides we need to expose the wires inside so that we can see what is wrong inside. Just be careful when doing this. Gently cutting it side by side. Now after I cut a piece on one side, then I've seen the 4 wires, the ground, the 2 data cables, and the positive or the battery line are all burned out. So when we try to charge our phone and we are trying to wiggle it or wag it on, it may cause some shorting inside. So what I need to do is to cut all the wires and resolder it to make sure nothing is shorting. It might cause a hell on your phone. So I need to resolder it one by one. Just make it sure that no one is or none of the wires are touching each other. So this is the finished product. So for some safety insulation, I put on a hot glue so that for the testing. So here we go. Now see what's okay. There's a lightning and battery symbol. It is charging. Okay, it's plugged on the outlet or extension cord. Now thank you for watching.